Okay, guys, we're back at you another weekend here. This is where we're at right now. We're down to the detailed finish work. I really like the way that's coming out. And you know, while we're doing all of this, waiting on this stuff right here. This is at Pop's Choice Pro Cut. Yeah, gonna be grinding on that a little bit today with my new grinding jig. It's Walter Searles. It's called the Searles Brick, and I've already ground one knife with it. And this one was that thin when I started. We're talking super thin. Put it on there, pulled it a couple times. I do stuff like this on stock removal, repeat designs. There's that handle. It's called Opal. Come out real nice. This one right here I'm probably gonna keep for myself because it's 1084, and like I said, the Pro Cut is a lot better still. But this is gonna be the star of the show. See if we can get it to come out the way we want to. Then we're gonna get it heat treated. And check this out, guys. Another little thing I got here from Pops. Y'all seen this? This is the, I believe the 8670. This one is ready for heat treat. It's ground, got the weight reduction. This thing is super quick, super light. All you feel is the handle. There's no tip weight. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Y'all come along for this. Let's go ahead and do some stamping on this sheath right here for this knife. And when we get this stamped while we're waiting on it to dry, we'll go ahead and get to some finished work on that one over here. normal leather workers, they'll use a mallet, but I have discovered that my little tiny baby hammer right there works out just fine. My leather working is very primitive, but I am gonna get there to make a nice knife sheath. Maybe some bracelets. And I'm discovering that leather is really more about patience and placement. It's not something that you can rush. See, that's ready for sitting in the sun to dry. There you go, brother. It's all about rotating it around after that, and we'll take the pattern down about right here, and I'll get back with y'all and show y'all when we're done. All right, guys, can y'all see that pretty good? The trick is a 7 to 9 ounce leather, lightly wet, and then, you know, this got dry, and then I'm gonna put the saddle tan leather on because I'm gonna antique this, and I'm getting better. We'll get there. All right, y'all.